How to log into your Citi Bank credit card. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Citi Bank credit card. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, you'll have to open up your web browser and search for Citi Bank credit card login. And then from here, open up the first link that you see, or you can just type in this URL directly, citi.com, and then you will be taken to this page right here. Now here, right on the right side of your screen, you can see the login portal. All you have to do is simply enter your user ID. And once you have entered your user ID, you should be able to enter your password. Make sure all of your login credentials are correct. And that if you want the browser to remember you next time you log in, check this box. But you have to make sure if you're using a public computer, then you should not check this box because anyone else can access your account from a public computer. Now, once you do that, simply click on sign on and you should be logged into your account. But in case if you forgot your user ID or password, you can click on either of this link to recover your user ID or password. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.